think of Daniel in the lion's den, the strength of God inside a man. He didn't bow, he didn't bend his knee. He stood his ground for the world to see. Like David with the stone, the giant fell. For the glory of God, his victory rang like a bell. I see the fire in the prophet's eyes, as Elijah calls the glory from the skies. No fear of him, no fear of the dark. He carried the flame, he carried the spark. And young David stood where the giants fall, with nothing but a stone and a heavenly call. They weren't just men of flesh and bone. They were warriors standing for the throne. We are the heroes of the faith. Mhare, Dzekutenda, standing strong by his amazing grace. Mhare, Dzekutenda, from the valley to the mountain high. Lord, we exalt you. We will never back down. We will never fly. Think of Esther, a queen with a heart of gold, with a spirit so brave and a story untold. Akashima, she was brave. She stood for her own. She found her strength at the Father's throne. And Deborah rose like a mother in the land, leading the way with a steady hand. Mhare was her shield and light, turning the darkness into the morning bright. It doesn't matter the size of the storm. God is our shelter. It doesn't matter how the shadows fall. God is our helper. Like Gideon's few, we're a mighty army. Like Paul in the chains, we are singing holy. Mwarimune Simba. Strength isn't found in the muscles of men. It's found in the Spirit again and again. Kushinga kwedu kunova kwa Mungu. Oh, the God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob. You are the same yesterday, today, and forever. Raise your voice if you are a hero. Dzekutenda, we are walking in the victory. Mhare, Dzekutenda, Ishuakanaka. Mhare, Dzekutenda, Ishuakanaka. By faith we stand, by faith we win.